100 English words that start with W. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Well, Mike, what's next?
We're working on the letter W,
Wonderful. Today you'll learn 100 words.
all starting with W,
W for warm, wish, and wonder.
and W for walk, write, and win.
Just listen carefully
Repeat with us.
and watch your English grow.
Listen and repeat.
Wait,
Wait,
wake,
wake,
walk,
walk,
wall,
wall,
want,
want,
war,
war,
warm,
warm,
warn,
born,
wash,
wash,
waste.
waste. Well done so far.
Let's keep going. Watch,
Watch,
water,
water,
wave,
wave,
way,
way,
we,
we,
weak,
weak,
wealth,
wealth,
where,
where,
weather,
weather,
web.
web.
Great work.
Repeat loudly with us.
Wedding,
Wedding,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
week,
week,
weekend,
weekend,
way,
way,
wait,
wait,
welcome,
welcome,
well,
well,
west,
west,
wet.
wet. Halfway there.
Stay with us. What,
What?
wheel,
Wheel.
when,
When.
where,
Where.
whether,
Whether.
which,
Which.
while,
While.
whisper,
Whisper.
white,
White.
who.
Who.
You're doing amazing.
Let's keep the words flowing.
Whole,
Whole.
whom,
Whom.
whose,
Whose.
why,
Why.
wide,
Wide.
wife,
Wife.
wild,
Wild.
will,
Will.
win,
When.
wind.
Wind. Just a bit more.
Almost finished. Window,
Window.
wine,
Wine.
wing,
Wing.
winner,
Winner.
winter,
Winter.
wire,
Wire.
wise,
Wise.
wish,
Wish.
with,
With.
without.
Without. Wow, 100 words done.
Repeat them daily.
And your words will sound wonderful.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For warm, wise, and welcoming lessons.
Keep practicing.
And win every day with English.
See you next time.